JT Haynes with Triangle Realty. We're excited to offer you a new listing here in Sherman County, Texas, the Buckles Farm. The Buckles Farm is 16,255 total acres. There's 1,954 irrigated acres. There's 5,404 of dry land. There's 5,863 CRP. There's 2,959 of grass. There's 6 houses. There's numerous barns. 287 splits the property. There's a good set of working pens on both sides of the highway. Let's go check it out. Buckles Farms in Sherman County, Texas. Triangle Realty feels very blessed that the family has trusted us with this exclusive listing. If you want an information packet or if you want to set up a private showing, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, I'm JT Haynes with Triangle Realty.